Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jennifer, and I know I look extremely odd with my hair like this, but there is a very good reason. In today's video, we are going to be testing out the new and improved Revlon One Step. Is it Revlon One Step? Salon One Step hair dryer and volumizer, and this has kind of been an internet sensation for a really long time, so I wanted to test it out for you guys and give you guys like a little review slash preview of how it works, and also time myself and see how long it takes me to do my hair. I will try to find a decent picture of my natural hair and insert it somewhere around here of what my natural curly hair looks like, so you guys can have an idea of what I'm working with. That is Leonidas. So this is what it actually looks like. Let me move it around here. This is what it actually looks like. It is oval in design. The actual like barrel of the brush is very large. And then it has a high, low, and cool setting on it, which seems easy enough. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump in and give this bad boy run for its money. Okay, so I have the dryer here. I have a spray bottle of water in case my hair gets like too dry, because you do want your hair to be pretty wet when you're doing this. And then I do have a comb in case I run into any tangles in my hair, which this comb, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of these products. But I recently picked up this comb at Ulta. It's by the Hair Edit, and this is the first comb that I've ever used like on my actual like soaking wet hair, and it doesn't pull out my hair at all, like zero strands. So I really do encourage you, if you have a problem of like combs pulling out your hair, to give this one a try. So all right, let's give it a whirl. I will show you guys like the first piece. I am doing pretty small sections. I will show you guys like the first piece, and then I'll like probably fast forward through the rest. Like, let's see how the cord is not too long on it. Like, that's my first kind of take from it, is the cord could be a little bit longer. So this is the first piece of hair I did. I shouldn't have wore a black sweater because you guys can't see it that well since my hair is dark, but it came out really nice. Like the ends are curled. You guys can see that. I did like curl it as I was taking the brush out of it. It feels really soft. Yeah, that's really nice. And I mean, of course, we'll have to wait and see like how the like hair comes out all together, but for the first piece, not a lot of frizz. This does claim to have like 30% less frizz and helps reduce damage because it has ceramic technology. So I'm going to start a timer to see how long it takes me to do the rest of my hair, and then we will come back and see how long it takes me and then see how my hair looks. So starting now. You can see, like I said, I probably shouldn't have wore such a dark shirt, but okay, so first thing, it took me a little over 35 minutes to do my whole head of hair, but that was going over it with the cool shot button afterwards. So after everything was dry and styled, I went over all the sections with the cool shot just to eliminate any frizz and static. Guys, like my hair feels so soft. Now I do use, you know, like really good products in my hair. I will list like the hair oil and shampoo and conditioner that I use down below, but wow, like I never get a blowout to look like this. Do you guys see like the bounce it has? Like, what? I've tried blowing out my hair with a round brush and a hair dryer for like years. And no, like I end up coming out looking like a poodle. It's a joke. That's why you either see me with natural curly hair or like completely sleek straight hair. But what? Like, this is crazy. It has so much bounce, curled at the ends. Like, I think this could pass for like a blowout. Like you had your hair blown out by a stylist. Maybe not exactly as amazing, but pretty damn close. What is happening? This volume, these flips, like, where has this product been all my life? Where has it been? I don't honestly know. It's been in stores and I haven't been purchasing it, I guess, is where it's been. Anyway, while I'm sitting here feeling myself, I guess that's pretty much it. If I had to rate this product, I'd give it like 4.5 stars. The only reason I don't give it 5 is because I think that the cord could be a little bit longer. That's the only improvement I would make on it, is just make the cord a tiny bit longer, Revlon, and you would have 5 stars, like 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5 stars. But right now it's like 4.5, and I'm in love. I'm in love with this product. I think it's amazing, and I'm so excited. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, as usual, and I love you guys so much. And I'm gonna go now and just continue to touch and play with my hair for the remainder of the day and go show my fiance how amazing and voluminous my hair looks. And until the next one, I love you. You're beautiful inside and out. And bye.